We are on the Lord's side. We will never give up.
And because of that, and the least multitude that came out of Egypt went too far in loving those food in Egypt, in loving all those things in Egypt. Even when God dragged them away, their mind was still there. They neither stayed in Egypt nor followed Moses. They became stubborn blood to Moses. Their mind was in Egypt, while their body was follow Moses. That is the problem we have today. Unless the Lord conduct a serious deliverance of some people, hell is guaranteed. They went too deep in their worldliness that even if you deliver them from left hold, they keep it in the finger. If it's not in their finger, it's in their eyes. If it's not in their eyes, it's in their tongue. The worldly spirit is jumping up and down. Those people need overhauling. They need to die completely and be resurrected. But would they allow God to carry them through that victorious exercise? With their worldly nature, allow them. That is the problem. That's why today you see some sisters who can tie head gorgeously. Their skirt is sweeping the floor, and yet they can easily open the skirt and commit adultery. Hallelujah. With their long skirts, with their gorgeous dressing, it's not hard for them. At any little corner, they can easily raise up their skirts and do what only husband and wife can do. Why? Because they went far. Now the spirit is in them. That's why no matter how you preach to some people, that element of pride is there. When you were in the world, the hand was like this. Now they are born again. They are in holiness sector, as we call them. The hand is just only like this. It's not like this. It's not like this. It's like this. They are neither up. They are neither humble or proud. They are at the center. That's how many people today, they are neither holy nor unholy. When they go to the church, when dance is allowed, they will roll on the floor and dance. They will do all those things that they need to do. I remember when we watched her before. He and the cycle. Maybe he see her. That's why today she dance that way. Those days, we don't say, man and woman. On danse n'importe comment, on danse. I will go to a woman. Me, I was a man. J'irai vers les femmes. On allait vers les femmes. On dansait avec les femmes ensemble, avec les femmes. On dansait. Moi. In me. Dans moi. A woman that is not my wife. Avec une femme qui n'est pas mon wife. What are we doing? Qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Praising the Lord. On loue le Seigneur. That spirit, cet esprit, is still in some of us. That's why when Apostle Emmanuel says, in the spirit of the Lord, made perfect, says we should do our things moderately. That's as if we're in heaven. Because that spirit that was in us, parce que cet esprit qui était en nous, is so strong. C'était tellement dur. Us are angry. C'était ça de nous, on a la colère. I was watching a man yesterday. Je regardais un homme hier. A preacher. Un prédicateur. From US. Aux États-Unis. The man was saying. Il disait. that dancing in the church
danser à l'église,
is not good.
ce n'est pas bien.
I said, wow.
J'ai dit, waouh.
The man really explained it.
Il a expliqué.
I said, wow. Now, oh, I heard it.
Moi, j'ai compris.
That we should be careful,
Nous devons être prudents.
mindful.
Nous devons être prudents.
Can you
Est-ce
imagine
que vous pouvez imaginer
the angels of the Lord,
les anges du Seigneur?
where the throne of God is?
Lorsque le trône de Dieu se
They be doing like this,
ils sont en train de danser comme ça, danser.
dancing like children.
Danser comme les
It's not done.
Ce n'est pas comme ça.
When the 24 elders
Lorsque les
want to lie down, they all lie down the same time. They come up the same time. They clap the same time. Heaven is orderly.
Le Seigneur.
Heaven is orderly. You don't see some dancing this way.
Les gens danser d'un côté.
Sister Prince is going this way.
L'autre go d'un côté.
Sister Ego going this way.
La sœur go va
Sister Twan going this way.
L'autre va dans le côté.
That is inorderliness.
Ce n'est pas en ordre.
In heaven,
Au paradis.
when it's like this,
Lorsque c'est comme ça.
it's like this.
C'est comme ça.
When it's like this,
Lorsque c'est comme ça.
it's like this.
C'est comme ça.
When it's clap,
Lorsqu'on applaudit.
it's clap.
C'est tout le monde.
This is the life the Lord wants us to live.
C'est la vie que Dieu veut que nous vivions.
If we must enter
Si
heaven,
nous devions aller
we
au
must
paradis,
start living as though we're in heaven now.
vivre comme ça.